corroded sacrificial anode case.
For the cylinder yesterday, and this is corroded. That's the sacrificial anode.
Sacrificial anode.
Yeah. So that's reached the end of its life. Once it reaches the end of the life, the chemical in the water, which could be sodium, starts attacking any bare metal sections of this dry pocket element.
Can I ask, how long life is this? Like, what is the life expectancy?
About 4 years. It's recommended to replace it after 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do we prevent that from happening quicker?
You can have by putting a ZeroCal. Don't use a water softener. This is accelerated by using a water softener. So normally, in normal water, it'd be like 10 years.
Yes.
When it's placing, but with a water softener, it's like 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
To get to that stage.
Yeah.
So basically, this is what our sodium-based
Sodium-based,
water softener
yeah.
does.
The sacrificial anode's life expectancy mentioned in the video are estimations. Corrosion can happen faster depending on water conditions and products used within the system. When a sacrificial anode corrodes, it can potentially cause the following problems to your boiler: leaking of the main hot water tank and damage to the heating elements, causing leaks and short circuit.
It leaking down the side there, like that. So it's coming from inside this cylinder. It's definitely burst. I'm going to turn the water off now. You can see it leaking down.
That's why you need your boiler service. Contact us to get it arranged.
Get your ZeroCal Plus at euroboilerparts.co.uk. Talks with a boiler expert. Electric Combi Boilers Company.